Apprentices are our future. I've got Falana and Lily, they're NVQ2 qualified now, so they're in their third year, so they're doing a little bit more advanced work.
I didn't start working with Pete until a couple of months into the course, but when I did, it helped boost my confidence so much and it's been great.
And then I've now got Erin, who's in the family, she's my niece, so she's now started the first year and she's also doing well.
You don't know until you try it, but yeah, I'd recommend it to other people.
There's no problem with liaising with Barry or Rob as to seeing how the progress of the students are going.
I used to be up here myself as an apprentice, and Peter used to teach me in the 90s, so I've known him quite a long time and built up a really good relationship with him.
It's nice to highlight UCM College and the tutors, the team that work at UCM, the training services division that have been very supportive financially, and also Construction Isle of Man 2, the contractors list where we do government work.
As a great supporter of the college, he continually takes apprentices, teaches them the correct methods.
As part of my business, I do employ female decorators, and that's sometimes a good thing to show that we have an equality within our workplace.
Hard working trade, so you've got to get them from day one, which is normally level one, to install what employers will want.
It's vital because we give them the city and guilds part of the training, but it's vital that they go out and learn, they go out and put that to practice on site.
Every year they do an award ceremony, so on the night you do not know if you're going to win an award. This scheme has several thousand members, so to be able to compete at national level with UK decorators coming from the Isle of Man is a big thing for us here on the island, to show that we've got good training and good mentorship with employers.
It was really good. There was a lot of experience meeting new people.
It was a great opportunity to be at the Dulux Ball and to be able to be there and watch him get that award.
Because it was an award, we didn't know if we were going to get it. I wanted them to experience being part of the trade. We went to a national trade painting show, so they saw all the exhibitors. They met some very, very good decorators who I know personally, so to get them in and part of the business was very important to me, for them to have links to other decorators in the UK.
It was very emotional, but it was great, it was good.
I think it was a very proud moment that we could all share together, because we do work as a team.
It's been amazing and I couldn't thank him for everything that he does.